Hello everyone, today I'm showing how you can collect a Neko token from the Neko deck. In the description you see the link of this app, and you can click and download the app from the Play Store, their official website. You download and open this app. The interface of the Neko Dex app. Here we can collect the Nekocoin. You can see here, this is the Nekocoin. This is live trading on Uniswap or other exchanges. You can see here this Uniswap. You can this token swipe on Uniswap app, and you can swipe from the Uniswap exchange, and you can here you see the current supply and the total supply and max supply of this Neko token. Here you can see the 1.6 billion is the current supply. You can imagine how big is big token will be go in future on the big exchanges or DCX platforms. How we can join here? You can simply log in and verify the human verification system. Where is this proof your personhood? So you can click and complete this tax, and you can eligible for this airdrop and 1500 Neko tokens. If you on here you on 1500 from the daily claim or taxes, complete the other taxes, welcome bonus. Those are the taxes you can do, and you can daily claim these from you can check in daily, and you can also refer your friend, and 1500 new tokens you can able to claim 2500. Tell your friends and share this link to your friends, and you can claim lots of money or token from Nekocoin. So this is the very simple and easy tax and airdrop for this 2025. So there is the, you can see this is only 36,870 users total user of this app. So you are not late, you are very early to this air joining airdrop. So join and get. If you see here is the earn bonus. You can, if you have any amount of 50 USDC, you send this in this wallet, and you can earn daily 25 Neko token daily you can claim. And if you have 100 USDC, you can 50, and you have a 200 USDC, you can claim 100 daily, and so on up 500 daily. You can deposit of vault 10,000. You can if you deposit 10,000, then you can claim a daily $5 to $10